Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hi everyone, we'll see how to create an equation from the image. So this is the image I have, image equation. So I want to convert this into latex code. So first I will create a Word document from that image. Go to the Word and copy paste this image. Okay. So this is my equation. Instead of saving, I'll print it. Okay. Print it as a PDF. Done. So printing location, I'll take the same folder name. Name I will give equation. Okay. And the eq2. I'll go back to the. I don't want to save this. Okay. We have this PDF file. Now I have already installed Infinity Reader. So Infinity Reader, it is not for free, uh, but we have a trial version of this. So trial version means you can 10 page per day, one page each time. So if you are taking a license of this, it is very useful. Now we'll see how to create the code, how to create a latex code for this. The first thing is I'll go to the folder and select this. Okay. Next, this is the second step is which type of file it is we have to mention. This is image PDF for me. Okay. And next, I cannot change the output file location. Okay. So till it's okay. And output file format. What is the output file format? I can choose. So there is different method, different way we can create the output file. So if you want XHTML also, we can use this. Next, if I click on start OCR, the like it will open result file by the related application. Means now I want the latex file, so it is going to convert and then it is going to create the latex file for that. Okay, click on OK now. So analyzing the equation, you can see here analyzing equation.pdf. So I'll go back to my folder. I'll come to know what changes it is doing. Okay, so it is creating some image file. Many operation is taking place in behind. Okay, now it will open the latex file. Okay, let's wait for that. Okay, now we have this PDF file, but we are not sure whether it is the same PDF file what we are saved. So what I'll do is I'll change the name of this latex file. So equation 2. Okay, I'll open only the latex file. Okay, I'll run this. We got the equation. Okay, so this equation for using this latex code. Now I can verify that if I change here instead of 2, if I make it 4. Okay, and let's run this code. So this 2 will become, yes, this 2 is become 4. Okay, so any complicated equation we can convert, we can find out the latex code for that using this software. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to